As you can see, I've poured the epoxy in different containers, different cups, so that I just thought of having different colors. Yeah. These are different kind of colors and pigments that I've used. You can see that. So I just thought of using different colors. So in the end result, you will see what is that. I cannot wait for too long because it will the epoxy will start reacting and it will start heating up. So I'll just show you how we do it. So here we have good cracks here. So I chose this white colored epoxy for this. So it will look good. It's what I believe. According to me, it will look good in this because there are like prominent cracks inside. So yeah, see, this is the way we do it. Just pour it. There are different kind of epoxies. It depends upon the viscosity. Viscosity, as in when I say viscosity, it means the thickness of the epoxy. So now this particular epoxy that I'm using, here you go. So this particularly is epoxy with it's very thin, as in it's very not so thick, so it can just penetrate in the cracks. We will be explaining to you different kind of epoxies and everything in our classes, but so that we can see it now how we do it, because it has to enter the cracks. Otherwise, if the epoxy is very thick, it does not enter it does not go into the cracks. So I'll show you the result after we get it done. Oh, you have somebody. I've added the first seal coat, I would say, of epoxy in this project here. Obviously, I will just put it inside. Just wanted to show you how important it is to seal your project. See, it is very thin, so it just started leaking out from this. It was actually it was sealed like very tight, but still it just came out. And if you do not seal your projects very carefully, you will just end up wasting a lot of expensive epoxy. The way it is, see the way how it is leaking here, it is all gone down. So it was just wanted to show how important it is to actually really seal your projects before you do it. So all the sealing thing is very important. Otherwise, you just waste everything. So just spend more time and energy and money on sealing your project rather than just because it's all waste here. It's all waste. It's a whole waste. It has gone down. Yeah. So I'll show you the later process.
Okay, so we have come here to do some branding on our stuff. This is one of our client's project. which the client has given us. He has some ideas, so we are just come here for the branding of this. This is how we have to carry it. See the steps. See the steps here. This is the place where we have come to do our engraving. Yeah. So it is done, and this is how it is looking. Yeah. This is how it is.
Now this is epoxy resin mix. I'm mixing it in color and some pigments. So you've seen we've already branded the products, as in with the laser, and laser branding is done. So now we'll be putting this into the cavity. I'll be putting this into the cavity to give that effect, to make it permanent. So just see how we do it. See, let it properly sit inside. It will just properly sit inside, and just see the magic when it is done. Let it properly sit inside here. See, this is beautifully sitting inside now. So once that is dried, it will be like permanent. Then we'll show you the result. Yeah, stay tuned. See now how it came out. So I will show you the final result after a while, but you get the idea. You get the idea of how it will all come out. I'm just applying some water to it so that you get the idea. It's already inside of the wood. So I'll show you the finished product. Just from nothing we did this. So I'll show it in a later part. So as you can see, it is now we're doing the sanding part. Sanding part is to smoothen it up, smoothen the project to get very smooth edges of this. And as you can see, the epoxy that we put in the beginning, so it's become one with the project now. Just become one with the project. All the cracks and everything is filled. It's become so beautiful. See, look at how it just went inside and just penetrated and just became one with the wood. Look how beautiful it's come here. So now we are doing the sanding part. just smoothing it up to get the smooth finish. And see the branding that we did, the branding we did. And now I'll show you how the finishing is done. That is the finishing part where the real magic will happen. So the oiling and all. So I'll show you in the later part. Thank you.